Hello friends, if you want to learn Optitex from scratch and create professional fashion designs, then this series is for you. In this video we will look at the basic Opt interface, understand the basic tools and start our first project. You must have seen the intro video. Inside that I had said that the next class will start. Today this is the first class of 0 to Advanced series. If you don't have the Optitex demo, I'll put it in the description, so you can easily download it. After downloading, when you open it, you will see this interface. First of all, let us understand what is this interface. This blue one is the workspace. Here we create and edit patterns. After that, at the top here is the piece window. All the patterns will be visible here. Look, there are 3 patterns visible here. On its right-hand side is the 3D properties window. We will use this when we see 3D. There is a toolbar here, and this is the grading table. This will be used here when we learn grading. So this is the basic interface. Gradually we will look at it at a more advanced level and add whatever we need like interface, etc. We will delete what we don't want. Like right now we don't have the requirement for 3D. We can remove this. This made our workspace much cleaner and clearer. Before starting any pattern, we have to set its unit, whether the garment we want to make is to be made in centimeters or inches. So what will we do for that? I will show you the magnification. You have to go to Tools in the top menu bar. Below that the option of preferences will be at the very and see this, go to the top menu and click Working Unit is coming. Along with it you will see the unit. Here you can set it in centimeters, inches or whatever you want to work with. Like in centimeters, I'll do it in inches. It's done in inches. I applied here. I did OK. Look here below, you have got the conversion from centimeter to inch. This is our first task. First, set up your unit. Which one do you want to work in? After that we will make a pattern. To create a pattern, you can use the arrows here and here. You can click on this. It is like A4 size paper. If you click on this, it will ask you for the piece name, length and width to create a rectangle inside it. You can put anything in it. We will put the first piece length like this now. 10 width is also. We had set the unit in inches. This will be made in inches and we will click OK. One way is to make it from the top. Secondly, you can use the keyboard. Pressing Ctrl+N will open the same thing. Here you can select from the piece name, given or already fed. Let's enter front from the drop-down. You can put as much length and width as you want. Please do OK. It will be created. The second way is from the keyboard. The third way is to right-click with your mouse. You will come down here. You will see written New Piece. From there also, click on the same Create a Rectangle piece. The beans will open there itself. Enter your length, enter width. You can enter the name of the piece. Otherwise you can let the default that is coming remain. Piece this front is done. This became my second one. So, there are 3 ways to create a pattern, to create a block. Now we will understand the first tool of Optitex. That is the point to be made. I will magnify it and show you which one it is and where to get it. This is what you can see. There is a dot above the line and there is a plus sign, which means adding a point. Here you will see Add Point and Contour. Click from here and the toolbar will appear. OK, now you can also see the tools. There is a straight line and there is a dot in the middle too. Add a point. And even if you directly press O from the keyboard, the same tool will appear. Wherever you want to give points, click there. So this window will open for you. There are a lot of things here. I will tell you one by one. If you want to name your point something, you can do so. Otherwise you can leave it blank also. Like I give myself a name. This is our first point of this series. So I put the first point in it. OK. Now it is showing absolute below and here it is written previous point. This is our previous point before this. You see here, our measurement, our scale is moving from 0 to this side. From the left hand to the right hand. So, on the left-hand side of this point of ours, there is the previous point and on the right-hand side, there is the next point. The point we have placed now is 2.34 inches ahead of this point. And the next point is 7.66 inches ahead of the point we placed. If we want to change it, we can do it. Like we have to create our point at 3 inches from this point. So we will put 3 here. OK, and click OK. 1 second. So here we have created a point. Look, its name is also written here. First point. Now as soon as we add another point, then we give it the name second point, and this time if we do this, the next point is the last point. We will take it from here. OK, 3 from here. See, our line was of 10. A point is being created on our 7 here. And now a main thing has come in it that we have given a point in the middle. Now its previous point will be this, which was our first point because it is between these two. So this is always something to keep in mind. The first point we took would not be taken. Whatever point comes before that, it will consider it as the previous point we will make. OK, let's see what options are there inside this point. Yes, there is one more option. Let me show you. If we wait a minute, this is it. I'll put a point here. For example. OK, but I have to create a point exactly in the center of it. I don't know the value, so how do we apply it? Now you will see the proposal in it. Okay, if we do 5 here, that means half, then it will create its own point in the center. If we do 25, then this 25% which we have lined up will put 1/4 of it there. And see, we had put it here in the previous point, meaning our scale is moving from 0 to here, so this is our previous point. Okay, if we put next here 25, it will create it here. We name this the third PO and T point. Okay, so that's all for today's video. We have learned 3 things. Learned how to install pattern. We have learned to make a new pattern in 3 ways, and we have learned about points and how to place the points. You should do your practice. If you have any problem or issue, please comment. You can tell me. You can ask. See you in the second video. Further, we will read in more detail about points, and we will understand the further tools one by one in detail. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.